This is like the fastest delivery from MI. I ordered this yesterday at 12 p.m. and it showed today at 10:15 a.m. Not even 24 hours. Let me just show you. It's written high priority. MI Band 3. Okay, let me show you the product name, fitness band. Other specification: it only contains one fitness tracker, one wristband, one user manual, one charging cable. The price is written $21.99, but it actually costs $1,999. What's with Bluetooth, etc. Let me open it up. The packaging looks nice. Let me just take it out. This is your sensor where everything will happen. Let me just put it down. Okay, that's your wristband. User manual. Okay, but installing the fitness tracker, not on the app, charging the MI band. Okay, this is the charging cable. Put it aside. Let me look at this. And there's your heartbeat sensor. Let me just peel it off and put it inside the wristband. Okay, more harder than you think. Finally, so this is the MI Band 3. I have charged it up and paired it up with my smartphone with the MI app. I'll be using it for a week, then I will give you my full review. If you want to buy this device, you can go ahead in the description and click on the link to download it. That's for the unboxing.